दुनिया गवाह है। इसके हम पैसे ज़्यादा लेंगे,
वो लगा हुआ है।
मुझे इसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा आने लग गया।
ये तो अर्थक्वेक आ रहा है। किचन की बिल्डिंग में बैठी है तो कुछ नहीं होगा तुझे।
हाँ, जरा दिल
That's the one.
I feel responsible that whatever happens to it is my responsibility to rectify it. And I think that is what makes me keep going and making the team stronger.
I have myself been a resident in one of your hand delivered buildings for the last 8 years. And I would like to share this incident also here. There was one day when I was in my apartment on the 15th floor and I called my mother, Mom, यहाँ पे तो earthquake आ रहा है. And I remember your response from the background like, अरे don't worry, गुलशन की building में बैठी है तो कुछ नहीं होगा तुझे. And that gave me so much confidence that day. And I've been saying that to everybody, guys. Gulshan की building में बैठे हो तो कुछ नहीं होएगा तुम्हें. That confidence, you're very rightly spoken, comes from when you do that honest work, when you know that you have put your heart and soul into it. And गलतियाँ आएंगी तो आप खड़े हो ठीक करने के लिए. What more does
मैं युक्ति आपको और एग्जांपल बताता हूँ। मैं ईस्ट दिल्ली में मैंने इतनी सारी बिल्डिंग्स बनाई हैं, आज भी मैं लोगों से कनेक्टेड हूँ। वो रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए आज की डेट में वो पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स बनती हैं, बाय लॉस चेंज हो गए, बिल्डिंग्स चेंज हो गई। आई फील सो प्राउड व्हेन पीपल टेल मी कि ये जो बिल्डिंग रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए जाती है, लोग इसको तुड़वाना चाहते हैं। जो तोड़ने वाले आते हैं बोलते हैं इसके हम पैसे ज़्यादा लेंगे बिकॉज ये गुलशन की बनाई हुई बिल्डिंग है, इसमें लेबर ज़्यादा लगती है।
I've experienced it myself in that apartment I'm talking about.
Yeah.
मेरे को एक बार टीवी लगवाना था तो मैंने बुलाया इसी लोकल कारपेंटर को कि आके भैया टीवी फिक्स करके चले जाओ. नॉर्मली इट्स अ लेस देन अ 20-minute जॉब. दिस गाय टुक हाफ अ डे क्योंकि वो लगा हुआ है. उसका कील नहीं फिट हो पा रहा. अरे पता नहीं क्या घुसाया आपने सीमेंट में.
इसमें कुछ नहीं होता, आपको कोई ना ज़्यादा मटेरियल लगाने की ज़रूरत होती है। ओनली थिंग इज़ यू नीड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सुपरविजन। उसके प्रोसेसेस को अगर आप ढंग से कर लेते हो तो आपकी बिल्डिंग अपने आप ही बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बन जाती है। अब लोग क्या होते हैं, सीमेंट तो पूरा डाल रहे हैं पर उसकी जो तराई कहते हैं वो कर रही हैं, वो नहीं होती है। सो उसकी तराई नहीं होती तो उसके अंदर स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आती। सीमेंट टेक्स लिटिल टाइम टू रियली गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर। सो ये बड़ी छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, बट इफ़ यू टेक केयर ऑफ द प्रोसेसेस and you do things in a right way, automatically things take a very good shape. And this is how, after so many years people remember, and I feel so proud जब लोग कहते हैं गुलशन की बनाई हुई बिल्डिंग है। हर चीज़ की उनको एडवांटेज मिलती है। कभी कोई बिल्डिंग दोबारा बिकती है ना, सम टाइम कोई बंदा 5-7 साल 10 साल बाद रह के वहाँ पर तो उसको छोड़ के जाता है, तो जब वो बिल्डिंग की इवैल्यूएशन होती है, बिकॉज इट इज़ मेड बाय मी, सो द इवैल्यूएशन इज़ ऑलवेज मच मोर देन द मार्केट वैल्यू। आई फील वेरी गुड एंड स्टिल आई गो टू फ्यू कस्टमर्स ऑफ माइन जो मैंने अपनी बनाई हुई बिल्डिंग में जाता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। लोग बड़े कई तो बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन करते हैं उस बिल्डिंग को। अभी एक बिल्डिंग में मैं गया जो मेरे से शायद मैंने 20 साल पहले बनाई हुई, उस बिल्डिंग में गया, आई मीन इट वाज लुकिंग सो फ्रेश। उसने कहा कि मैंने आज तक दोबारा पेंट नहीं कराया 20 साल में। तो आई
Wow.
इससे ज्यादा और क्या हो
Oh,
सकता है।
sir, take a bow, please. So, with this journey that you've had, it started from one man. Today, you have a team of 300 and more at different sites. What do you think was your core belief that led you here? What do you think was that one reason जो इस पूरे सक्सेस का कारण है?
आई थिंक ये एक जर्नी है। अगर आप सामने देख के फोकस के साथ चलते जाओगे तो आपकी जर्नी चलती रहेगी और लोग जुड़ते चले जाएंगे, आपके साथ कारवां बनता चला जाएगा। मेरे एक ही चीज़ है, एक ही मानना, बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है कि हर आदमी काम का होता है, उसे काम लेना आना चाहिए। कौन सी बात कब और कैसे कहनी चाहिए, अगर ये समझ में आ जाए तो बात का फ़र्क ही बहुत हो जाता है। तो मैंने ये सीखा कि आपका कोई भी आदमी ये तो 100% परफेक्ट हो नहीं सकता। सो यू टू चूज हिज स्ट्रॉन्ग थिंग्स एंड उससे वो वाले काम कराओ, और जहाँ पे वो वीक है उसको सपोर्ट करो, या तो वो किसी और से कराओ या उसको उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दो। सो मैंने बहुत ईजीली अपने साथ जुड़े हुए लोगों को मैं चेंज नहीं करता, एंड मैं कोशिश करता हूँ हम लोग काम करते रहेंगे तो चीज़ें और इम्प्रूव होती रहेंगी। और एक और एक 11 होते हैं, और आप अपने पैशन के साथ जिनको देखते हो, जो आपका पैशन के साथ चल सकते हैं, वो अपने आप टिके भी रहते हैं और चलते भी रहते हैं।
No doubt, I think this is the only organization I've seen in today's time जिनके पास 25-25 30-30 साल पुराने employees हैं and अभी भी कहीं जाना नहीं चाह रहे. They are more than happy, very satisfied in this organization. And I know some of them even started at a salary of meager 1200 rupees when you had first started. So it's quite a tremendous growth here. But if I have to ask you about your leadership style, what is it like? Is it autocratic? Is it democratic? Is it supportive? How would you describe your leadership style?
So mostly it's a democratic approach. I always take people's opinion and then I compile them all. फिर जो मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा लोग इस तरफ जा रहे हैं, इस रुझान में जा रहे हैं, then by and large, most of the time I take that decision only.
Majority wins.
Majority wins.
Okay.
And sometimes only I put my foot down कि नहीं ये तो नहीं है, इसको इस तरह से करना है, तो फिर वो मैं अपने तरीके से भी करता
I have
हूँ.
not seen you do that in the last 10 years. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, I've done that. When you brought a proposal of doing luxury and making this brand the next level,
Where are we sitting today? Obviously, you did not.
that
But you-
was the decision which was against everybody's wish. That was not democratic. That was not at all democratic. That was a kind of calculated but emotional decision. But you made it so robust that you took all the responsibility by doing so much of research, that whatever you're doing and in trying us to do is so powerful that it cannot fail. And I still remember when we launched Gulshan Dynasty, it was against all odds. कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं थी जो टिक इन द बॉक्स हो, हाँ हम सही काम कर रहे हैं. सभी लोग कह रहे थे आप गलत टाइम पे गलत टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हो, गलत लोकेशन पे बना रहे हो. एंड देयर वाज नोबडी सपोर्टिंग दैट आइडिया. सिंस उसमें मेरा पैशन भी जुड़ा हुआ था. मेरा हमेशा से एक पैशन था कि हम सुपर लग्जरी काम करें, हाई क्वालिटी का तो काम करते हैं, हम सुपर लग्जरी काम करें. बट कहीं ना कहीं यू वर पुल डाउन बाय द मार्केट फोर्सेस. आपने जो रिसर्च किया और आपने उस रिसर्च के बाद जो आपने प्रोडक्ट बनाने की प्रपोजल रखा, I think I could not resist it. And that was the confidence कि against all odds we carried on with that project. अब तो दुनिया गवाह है कि उस प्रोजेक्ट ने हमारी ब्रांडिंग को कैसे टॉप नॉच पे ले गए within no time. I think hats off to you.
Thank you. But you know, I would also like to tell you that many people asked me, ki, how did you get into there? How did you convince your bosses? How did you convince your management to take such a big risk? So I tell them my journey also around it. I was like, first I talked about what it will do to the brand because that was my subject matter expert. It did not work. Then I took it to another level. Then I did some more research, put a little bit more credibility to that brand bit. Also did not work. And then finally, when I brought the numbers on paper and showed it to a businessman, it worked. It always works. Numbers always work.
It worked, but initially there was a lot of hiccups. And like I said, they were timings were odd. We were all ready to launch this project and this COVID happened.
Yeah,
And
first
that was-
lockdown with a word.
So that was the toughest time.
I know.
Very tough time. But the moment this lockdown was over, we did not look back. So Yukti, actually, a father is never happier than watching their kids being successful. And I really so emotionally happy with your success in that, because not only that, it has made you popular. एंड रादर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि आप युक्ति नागपाल के डैड हो. सो इससे बढ़िया तो कोई और चीज़ होती नहीं है. एंड यू वर द आई थिंक फर्स्ट गर्ल एट दैट एज हु एंटर इनटू रियल एस्टेट. रियल एस्टेट में लड़कियां हैं नहीं, और उसके बाद जो आपने एकदम से आते ही एक छाप छोड़ी, एक आपने जो बैंक के साथ एंटर किया और जिस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट लेके आए, दैट प्रोजेक्ट इज लाइक अ लाइमलाइट. It is proud of not only Noida, Delhi NCR. It is one of the best projects, and I feel very happy whenever I see there from the drawing board to the reality, whatever it is done and whatever passion, hard work, your research, and that has sum up all. It has really come up fantastically well, and we all as a Gulshan family feel proud of owning it, and I'm sure that is going to lead us to so many such kind of projects, and your wish to be a luxury brand of India, I think is going to take shape very soon.
It's already happened in Delhi.
Yeah, it has happened.
I'm already prepping up for the next project, which we're going to
Yeah.
talk about it soon. I think that is going to bring us closer to the goal that we have, that by 2030 we be the most renowned name in real estate. I think this 2024 project is going to nail it for us.
मैं ना एक चीज़ आपको रिमाइंड कराता हूँ. यू रिमेंबर डायनेस्टी जब ये बन रहा था तो हमने अपनी टीम को दुबई भेजा था, बिकॉज दुबई इज़ द मोस्ट हैपनिंग रियल एस्टेट
Absolutely.
place जहाँ पे most of the luxury projects are coming, and we sent our team to go and research कि और हम क्या कर सकते हैं लग्जरी में. It felt so proud when they came out with one-liner research outcome that we have searched best of the developers, we visited best of the properties, and we found Dynasty is much better than them. So Dynasty is still the best of them all. It is really a wonderful feeling.
So, there's a very famous saying that behind every successful man, there's a woman. But what I believe in more is behind every successful woman, there's an army of men. There's an army of men who support her at every given stage. From the day she was born, they tell her from that very day कि भाई तेरा जो दिल करे वो तू कर सकती है. If you want the stars, you can aim for it. It starts that early. So thank you for giving me that support all my life, that I can give you this. So we've talked about how you build what you've built. I want to now talk about what do you see as the future of Gulshan? Like, where do you want Gulshan to be? What are the future aspirations you have from this brand, indirectly me?
I think our core value is and expertise is to really do luxury, because the kind of attention to detail we have, I've seen very few people have this kind of eyes to detail, and all our work, whatever we've done, speaks volume about it.
Yeah, that too.
So हमें आई थिंक अब इसी पे फोकस करना है, लाइक इट्स योर पैशन ऑल्सो. अब तो मुझे आपके पैशन के पीछे जाना है, बिकॉज यू आर द फेस ऑफ द कंपनी, एंड मैंने आज दिन तक इतने लोगों को फेस नहीं किया जितने लोगों को आपने फेस किया है. एंड यू आर ऑन पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ऑन क्रिडाई एंड अदर so many important platforms you are there, and the way you conduct yourself, the way you present yourself, the way you create an aura for yourself, I think that makes me feel so proud. I had never done it in my life, and when I see you doing it, my confidence on you goes so high. And even Yukti, honestly, when I watch you taking meetings and putting your points very precise, to the point, and it makes so much of sense, and you don't waste time in just beating around the bushes. You are very specific, very particular ki what you're talking about. You have so much of clarity in your mind and your thoughts, and that makes you look different leader. So I see you a great leadership coming up, मुझसे भी ज़्यादा strong, मुझसे भी ज़्यादा बेटर तरीके से you can carry this legacy forward.
इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है मेरे कंधे जितनी जिम्मेदारियां आप डाल रहे हो मेरे पे.
अपने आप को तो लगता नहीं है ना. सो मैं किसी कमज़ोर कंधे पे ये जिम्मेवारी डाल भी नहीं सकता. ये ब्रांड बहुत समय से बना है, बहुत मेहनत से बना है, एंड आई कैनॉट लेट इट गो लाइक दिस. आई हैव टू गिव इट टू वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग शोल्डर्स, एंड आई फील वेरी प्राउड दैट you are to take it up.
So okay, then let's talk about that. And tell me, when did you realize or think, because I'm still in doubt, when did you think I was capable to take this responsibility? I still live like a teenager.
That is your style of living. But अब इससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या प्रूफ चाहिए? यू ऑलरेडी डन. जो 6 साल पहले आपने काम शुरू किया था, और जो आपने स्क्रैच से शुरू किया था, विद व्हाटएवर कन्विक्शन से आपने उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया है, इससे बड़ा प्रूफ लाइफ में हो नहीं सकता, और इससे बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे लिए नहीं हो सकता कि जो चीज़ आपने सोची उसको आपने एग्जीक्यूट करके दिखा दिया. इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड दैट गुलशन हैज़ एवर टेकन, एंड उसी से तो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है कि अब हमारी जर्नी इज़ वेरी क्लियर एंड डिफाइंड, which is your passion, which is my passion too, and which even the world wants. उनको चाहिए बहुत कम प्लेयर्स हैं वो काम करने वाले, और आज आपने इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग फुट के साथ अपने आप को सामने प्रेजेंट किया है. आई थिंक रोड इज वेरी क्लियर फॉर यू.
So, are you telling me in front of camera that you trust whatever I do for this organization in future? That I am the future, and whatever I decide, you'll be happy with it.
I'll keep poking you here and there.
Okay.
वो गलतियां तो निकालना ही पड़ेगी.
Of
Nobody
you're my
is perfect
dad.
in this world. But yes, whatever you're doing is really fantastic, fabulous, and I'm sure आपको recognition मिल चुकी है. ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आप पॉपुलर हो इन रियल एस्टेट कंपनी, इन रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री, और आई एम श्योर यू विल जस्ट कैरी फॉरवर्ड. एंड आपके बस एक दो प्रोजेक्ट्स और फ्लोर पे आने हैं, एंड देन यू विल जस्ट बाउंस लाइक
Boomerang?
हाँ,
Boomerang?
बूमरैंग तो वापस आ जाता है. हम तो ऊपर ही ऊपर जाने वाले
So, ऊपर ही ऊपर जाने वाला है, like a lantern.
हैं. या
So fine, since we're on the subject of you willingly handing your legacy to me, let's talk about a subject that is always a disagreement between both of us. Let's talk about the work-life balance. What do you think about that? How do you think it should be? How much should we work? How much should we live? Like, what is your idea of this trending term work-life balance?
So of course, the biggest disagreement is, I think, the generation gap. The way we have worked, like हमने तो दिन रात देखा नहीं है, हमारे लिए कोई छुट्टी नहीं होती, आज भी नहीं होती. We always feel we should be always available for work, and your lifestyle is entirely different. You have some.
But it's not just mine. We are speaking, this is me representing a whole generation that is saying, that is craving, and that is talking about work-life balance. That your work is your job. It cannot be your entire life.
See, though it is a disagreement, but yes, there is a huge agreement also, because this what I see. The right approach is you have to have a work-life balance, and that balance you have wonderfully achieved, and you don't want it for yourself, you want it for all your employees.
I want it for you too, actually.
Yeah, but अब हम इतने पक चुके हैं, हमारे लिए ये चीज़ें अनलर्न करना very difficult. But yes, I am still trying, and maybe very soon you will find me also balancing that out. एक और चीज़ मैं जो watch करता हूँ, like it's not only what you're doing in your business, in your career. I see as a nature also, you are a big brother of the whole family. Whenever somebody is in problem, you're always there to rescue them, to help them. And वहाँ पे तो तुझे कोई time नहीं दिखता, वहाँ पे तो कोई work life balance नहीं है. If somebody in your family, in your friend circle needs you, you leave everything aside and just be there. So this is the kind of aura that you've created for yourself, and this is what exactly I see as one of the very big trait in you, that you feel responsible, you feel that you are there to help people, and that is why people respect you like anything. आपकी फैमिली में इतनी रिस्पेक्ट होती है, और उसके अलावा छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी मैं वॉच करता हूँ. लाइक इफ़ यू ऑल आर सिटिंग एंड समबडी नीड्स समथिंग, you are the first one to get up and you come out of your comfort zone and really do that.
Wow, you know things about me that even I don't notice.
See, dad always observes. मैं बोलता कम हूँ, लेकिन ऑब्जर्व तो बहुत कुछ करता हूँ.
ठीक है, कर ले. बनता है कब का. With that, I would like to do a very quick rapid fire round with you, if that's okay.
Okay.
I
अब ये रैपिड फायर नहीं था.
नहीं,
अच्छा.
ये तो अभी detailed conversations थी. We'll do the rapid fire now, where you have to quickly answer. Like the quicker you answer, the better it is.
Okay.
Are you ready?
नहीं तो एडिट कर लेना.
All right. We'll start the G round, and the first question is your favorite food, all-time favorite.
Thai.
Thai food.
Yes.
Your favorite actor.
Ranveer Kapoor today and Shah Rukh Khan, of course. Yeah.
Your favorite song.
I don't remember.
I remember. Shit, I remember your song.
Hey भाई, जरा देख.
That
Hello.
one. Your most favorite building.
Right now, it is Gulshan Dynasty, and the next which is coming up is really the best I could ever think of making it.
Ooh. Wait, don't tell more. We have to talk about it later. Can you cook?
Not even my dreams.
उसमें भी गैस नहीं जलेगी आपसे. Okay, your hobbies? Okay, only 2.
I love to do exercise.
Okay.
and I love to spend time with my wife.
Hmm. So not really a hobby, is more like a necessity.
No, what is my hobby?
All right. We will accept it. Your favorite color?
Black I'm wearing right now.
Mhm. I see that is only one thing common between us. Last question. Do you remember that backpacking trip?
Yeah.
That's what I want to know more about here.
Right. So the most unfulfilled wish is that I really want to backpack, go for an undisclosed destination all by myself, like most the teenagers do. And I really want to do it. And I don't know what is the span is going to be. कितने दिन के लिए जाऊंगा, कहाँ जाऊंगा. Very, very light travel I want to do. Like, so yes, this is something is a wish list which is yet to come true.
How about I take that responsibility to make your dream a reality like you did mine?
So only thing is you have to take it over completely.
That's what I'm saying.
So I'm sure I'm very
Stop
close.
crossing your fingers and let it go.
So we are very close to it. So I have already built that confidence. I can see it very clearly. Yes, you are the one who can give me that kind of holidays.
Yes.
Yes, I want to have that kind of vacation when there is somebody behind me taking care of everything like I am doing.
Yes.
So
You're building a team, don't worry.
yeah,
You are building a team.
yeah. I think the team is already built.
Yeah.
सो जब एक लीडर बिल्ट हो जाता है, सेट हो जाता है, फिर टीम और आसानी से बन जाती है. सो आई हैव टू चूज अ राइट लीडर विच इज राइट नाउ देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड टेकिंग वेरी गुड शेप. आई हैव ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू माय डियर. आई एम श्योर you are going to win a lot of accolades and a lot of feathers in your cap. And I wish you all the best. Whatever you're doing, just do it consistently, passionately, and just keep one thing in mind. Honesty should be on the top of your mind. If you're honest to yourself, you're honest to everything around you. So whatever you deliver is going to speak volume for you. आपको अपने लिए कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आप जो भी काम साफ नीयत से करोगे, ऑनेस्टी से करोगे, वो अच्छा होगा ही, for sure.
Inshallah to that, sir. Thank you so much for your very, very profound learnings and very kind words. I hope I do not let you down.
Thank you so much.